Hi, everyone. Just wanted to give you an update on the local weed police situation. So, the steps in the laws here, now we're at the appeal process. So, the chief weed police dude comes out, I guess, or files a report likely to support the local weed police dude who suggested last week that we needed to remove every Canada thistle on our property, which is impossible without doing an Agent Orange thing where you just spray the entire property, which we're not going to do. So I have an outstanding legal team. My chief lawyer is a former organic farmer beekeeper in Canada, so he gets it, and he's an incredible litigator, and he's our lead on our team, our legal team that's taking this all the way through. And once the chief weed dude says that the local guy was right, we will appeal that to divisional court. That could take, who knows, could be months, could be years before it's finally heard. In the meantime, there's a stay, if you will, where they cannot agree to not come in and cut or spray anything on our property. A lot of you have reached out, thank you, and asked about how you can support us. Just if you can, pick up a T-shirt. You can go to wildflowerbeefarm.com and you'll see our store there. Pick up a T-shirt if you want, or a hat like I've got on here, just because I wanted to show it to you. It's just has one bee symbol, or you can go all the way up to a T-shirt that has hashtag Thistle Love on it, which we would love you to get. Or you can just pick up our book, What Grandpa Learned from His Honeybees. All that goes back into our legal fund. I expect it to last a couple years. You should know that in the 33 years of the Weed Act, there is no case law on this. So according to my lawyer, it's never been fought in court. Yesterday I was out on the farm, and I was visiting my bees and doing some work, and there were hundreds of monarch butterflies. This is a habitat not only for pollinators, but also monarch butterflies, an endangered species. Now, we have a federal law protecting the habitat of monarch butterflies. We have provincial laws, but they are rarely respected. And I think it's time to take a stand here, as I told you in the previous, and we will push this to the max, and we'll see where it ends up. We've uncovered incredible amounts of evidence on the weaponization of these types of weed rules, meaning it's selectively enforced depending on how they feel about you personally, or whether a neighbor may want to not like you, so they weaponize the there's one weed, we're going to go after you kind of thing. So we're doing this for a lot of reasons, but one is this is a stand we're going to take, because if we start to allow spraying on our property, we might as well just not do this project. I should tell you that the bloom here is unbelievable. The bees are flying. We have so many wildflowers blooming that are starting. Some of the wildflowers we planted take 2 years to start to bloom. And native tall grass prairie. The monarchs are, I think, due to the thousands of milkweed that are on the property. We planted those as well to give it a boost, because that was part of our original wildflower planting. So back to the question, how to support, just go to wildflowerbeefarm.com. Pick up a T-shirt, go to Amazon, grab our book, whatever you need to do. That's all we ask. If you want to help us, we don't want any donations other than that. You need to get something back for your contribution. And just to know that we're taking this to the max. I love my legal team, and let's see how this goes, but I'm very optimistic. You have an amazing day. Be well.